Intel launches two new Tiger Lake U-Series CPUs, 5G Solution 5000 at Computex 2021. At its recent virtual conference, Intel unveiled two new 11th Gen processors under its Tiger Lake U-Series. The announcement comes right after the company announced new 11th Gen Core H-Series processors for laptops and portables. However, along with the new U-Series processors, Intel also announced its first-ever 5G-ready product called Intel 5G Solution 5000. Now, before talking about the latter, let me give you a quick rundown of the two new Intel Core U-Series processors. Intel Tiger Lake U-Series processors launched. Starting with the new Intel Core i7-1195G7 processor, it is the first TGLU processor that can reach up to 5.0 GHz via the company's favored core technology dubbed the Turbo Boost Max 3.0. The 4-core, 8-threads processor also has a 2.9 GHz base frequency, a 4.6 GHz all-core frequency, and Intel Iris X integrated graphics clocked at 1400 MHz. Plus, the processor will support up to 64 GB of DDR4-3200 RAM or up to 32 GB of LPDDR4X4266 RAM. Coming to the second processor, the Intel Core i5-1155G7 is a refreshed version of the existing Core i5-1145G7. It also has a 4-core and 8-threads design and boasts a max single-core frequency of 4.5 GHz. The new Core i5 processor features a base frequency of 2.5 GHz. It also packs Intel Iris X graphics with 80 execution units and a peak frequency of 1350 MHz. Intel 5G Solution 5000. Now, turning to the first ever 5G-ready module from the chipmaker, the Intel 5G Solution 5000 is developed in partnership with MediaTek and Fibocom. The company sold off its 5G unit to Apple back in 2019. Following this, Intel announced its partnership with MediaTek to jointly develop 5G modems for laptops, and the Intel 5G Solution 5000 is the result of that venture. Turning to the product itself, it is an M.2 module that supports 5G sub-6 GHz, 4G LTE, and 3G WCFMA. It communicates over the PCIe 3.0 interface and supports Windows, Linux, Chrome. Moreover, it can deliver 4,700 megabits per second download and 1,250 megabits per second upload speeds over 5G. So, these were the products unveiled by Intel at its Computex 2021 virtual conference. In addition to these two new Tiger Lake U-Series processors, the company aims to add many more variants to the said line in the coming days. It also expects 60 laptops to feature its 11th Gen Tiger Lake U-Series CPUs, moving forward. As for the Intel 5G Solution 5000, the company expects companies such as HP, Asus, and Acer to be the first in the industry to integrate the module in their upcoming 5G-supported notebooks.